Hello, today I'm taking you through the assembly of the SIMBR projector mount. This projector mount can be ceiling mounted or wall mounted. I'll be wall mounting it. In the box is all the components you need to complete the installation. You can see here the ceiling mount, the arms for the projector, the extension arms, the wall plate itself and the hanger. This is the wall plate itself. I'll be screwing this to a brick wall, so I won't need any additional fittings. This is the plate that the projector hangs from. This is a support arm, it's telescopic, you need both pieces. This means the total length of the arm plus the wall mounting plate will be between 32 and 52 centimetres. So the various nuts and bolts and washers you'll need, they're easy to identify. First one to open is the one with the Allen key. You will also need a large cross-headed screwdriver and possibly a pair of pliers to hold on to the bolts. In this full dry run, select the wall mounting plate and the extension arm. The bolts are from part F, which is 2 large headed Allen bolts, 2 washers and 2 friction bolts. Note that when you assemble this, the Allen bolts go inside the wall plate and not on it. The washers go under the nuts on the other side. You may need to hold the nut with a pair of pliers to get the necessary tension. I'm actually assembling the arm upside down for aesthetic reasons, but it's 1 bolt and a plastic washer here, part G. Don't over tighten it, as you may need to adjust the length of the arm for your particular installation. Assemble it to a midpoint until you're ready. Locate the end cap. This was probably in the bag along with the Allen key. This simply pushes in to the end of the extension bar. Keeps the end of it looking pretty. Now gather the parts for the hanger. These are parts H, along with the connector and the telescopic arm. Note the differences in the bolts. The one with the part threaded shaft goes along with the knob. Now select the 4 plastic washers. These push into the arm. The smaller side fits into the hole in the arm. This is a snug fit. The plastic washer goes with the knob and the bolt and goes in between the knob and the arm. The metal washer goes with the fully threaded bolt and friction nut. It goes between the nut and the arm. Do the threaded bolt first in the lower hole, then do the part threaded bolt coming through from the opposite direction. This keeps the knob on the opposite side to the nut on the lower bolt, so saving your fingers. The square bit on the part threaded bolt goes through the inside of the U-shaped cutout in the mount. Now prepare to assemble the plate. Don't assemble it yet. Use parts D and E. Note the assembly order for the bolts. The flat washer goes onto the bolt first, then the spring washer. This then goes through the plate and into the arm. Like I said, don't assemble yet. First locate the mounting holes on your projector. On my projector, the mounting holes are under the projector feet. So gently prise off the rubber pads to reveal the mounting holes. You should keep these rubber feet in case you want to revert the projector to tabletop later on. Note the projector is protected from scratches by laying it on the tissue paper that came in the box. Parts A and B are supplied by SIMBR to mount your projector. Select the appropriate 4 bolts to suit. The bolts are M4 and M6 threaded. On my projector I required M5 ones. I'm glad I discovered it at this point. Anyway, a suitable set were found in my shed. Loosely identify a layout for the arms that suit your projector. It may well not be symmetrical. Mine was not. Each arm must fit in the mounting holes on the projector and a slot on the mounting plate. Now assemble the plate and arms to the layout you've just chosen. Don't tighten the bolts at this point to allow for adjustment. Bolt the plate with arms on the projector. Bolt the arms to the projector. Don't tighten any bolts till everything is in place. Give it a little wiggle, ensure the plate is flat, then tighten it all up. Hook the plate onto the connecting bracket. It goes over the silver Allen bolts. Identify the fixing bolts, parts I. You'll find this stage easier if you rest the other end of the arm with the mounting plate on the cardboard the support came in. The bolts, part I, go into the brass inserts on the connecting bracket. You may need to wiggle it about a bit to get them in. It may be useful to slacken off the silver Allen bolts in the middle, but don't remove them. The plate and arm fitted to projector. All is well. Now have a cuppa and get ready to disassemble a few bits. Remove the mounting plate from the arm and disconnect the projector by unbolting and unhooking it from the connector bracket. Bolts I. Select a position on the wall or ceiling for the mounting plate. Ensure this is level and square. This is a personal preference which is best for your projector. I'm doing some 3.5 meters to the projection screen, 2.5 meters up from the floor. I'm going into a brick wall so the supplied fittings are fine. Be very careful at this stage. If you're going into a hollow wall or a ceiling, then specialist fittings or reinforcing will be required. The support and projector could exceed 15 kilograms. If you don't want that falling on your head, seek advice if you are not sure. Now reassemble the arm onto the wall plate and then rehang the projector. Adjust the position and tighten everything up. Just need the wiring to tidy up now. Thank you for listening. Hope you found this helpful.